Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Today's video is sponsored by UNice.com, and I'm just showing you guys what came in my PR box. And this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the package. Now this is a V-part wig that we're about to style, so we're trying to do something real quick and easy. It is silky straight, and I love V-part wigs because of how flat they lay as opposed to a U-part wig, and they're just a quick type of placement instead of a traditional sew-in and still give that look. So I did a V-part styling the day before this, so my hair is already flat ironed in the front and all my parting spaces are already there. So I'm just gonna go straight in with my scalp oil that I'll leave in the description box for you guys so you can get the link of the exact thing that I use. So I'm just gonna make sure that I put that all on my area, my problem areas and all that good stuff, and I'm just gonna work that in, rub it in. This is just like a pre-care type of thing for my natural hair before we style this wig. So this is what the wig is looking like on the inside. It comes with all the combs to anchor onto your hair, and also the band in the back is something that you can use to tighten to give that snug feel for your wig so that you know it stays on. Okay, get that wig snug and fitted. You're gonna have the combs and all that other stuff in there, but listen, that extra elastic band, that extra security is something that you will definitely be craving. Now, once I have made sure that everything is aligned, I'm just going to open the combs on each side and make sure that they're nice and clipped in, nice and flat, nice and neat. I keep saying nice, but yeah, it's going to be nice and flat. So I make sure everything is together. Then I'm going to go in with my flat iron just to straighten the hair. You can do this before you put it onto your hair. And also, I haven't blended my hair with the hair as yet because I don't want to overdo it with the flat ironing and heat on my hair. So I make sure that I straighten the hair itself before I try to blend it with my hair. Now I'm going to go in with some wax stick to make sure that it's flat on top, because we don't want it to look bulky and lumpy on top. You want it to look like you're doing an actual traditional sew-in. So I put a little bit of that on my hair. As I said, I did a V-part wig the day before, so my hair is already straightened, so I didn't have to do too much. So now we're going to part the hair on the side because I want to do like a side part, and then I'm gonna go over my hair flat iron just one time to get it to look flat and fresh, and then I'm gonna blend it with the hair. So what I'm going for is just a fresh sew-in silk press type of look. Y'all get what I'm trying to say? Like, we're trying to go for like a traditional sew-in with all the hassle and the tension and all that extra unnecessary stuff. Like, we're not trying to do that. We're trying to do something quick and easy. So I did flat iron my edges, so I'm so sorry, y'all. Trigger warning for the girlies that don't like the heat and all of that, but I did use heat protectant on my hair before doing this, so not to worry. I put some wax stick on there to get it to lay down. I don't put too much product on there. I don't want to do too much. And then we're just gonna do the little swoops on the side, and that is basically it. So I go over that with my Got to Be Glued in the yellow tube. This is my go-to at this moment because she gets the hair laid in the summertime, and when it's heating up, like, she does the job. And I have tested this out in very hot Caribbean sun, and I'm telling you that this Got to Be Glued is the truth. It is the truth, at least for my hair chemistry. It works for me. So I'm just gonna keep working that in until I'm satisfied with the look. And this is what our hair is looking like. She's giving bob, okay? She's giving silk press. She's giving traditional sew-in without the extra work, and when I'm ready to take it off and just move, as opposed to trying to cut thread and all that extra shit. Like, I'm not trying to do all of that. So this is the end result. The details for this wig will be in my description box down below. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. I would also recommend, if you're going to wear the hair like this all the time, to cut it, because one side will be longer than the other, because this is not how it's typically worn. But because I know I might wear it in a center part, I don't want to cut it to make it be even more uneven. So I'm just going to keep it like this for now. And that is basically it. As I said before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You already came all this way. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.